coming out, the first was the wedding.
The wedding.
And it was, oh my God, and that picture with the veil and the silhouette and all of that.
That was just by chance.
Oh,
They are witnesses.
okay. I see you have a little support system here.
But I'm telling you,
okay.
but look, this is what happened.
I'm pulling out the looks.
Oh,
now.
you can
huh.
you can pull them out.
Huh.
You see, what happened was that I was not ready. So I didn't know this, but photographers, wedding photographers, वो आपकी तस्वीरें लेते हैं before the nikah.
जी, वो स्टूडियो शूट होता है.
हाँ, या फिर कहीं भी जहाँ भी आपकी शादी हो रही है वहाँ शूट होता है.
हाँ.
अच्छा, that I was like, no.
Because you decided to go off?
No,
You
because
said you didn't want to do it.
No, I said that I cannot shoot with Salim before we sign the nikah, like the papers.
Oh my God.
Everyone, he should see me afterwards, right? So that's what I wanted. So they were like, देखो फिर तो light चली जाएगी. अच्छा खैर light. But it was lovely. I wouldn't have had it any other way. I came down and Bourbon stairs, you can't imagine. कि कितनी stairs तक आप helipad पे पहुंचते हैं.
जी, I've been there. Yeah.
It is
insane.
Insane, right? And then finally, when I got there, I entered. I was separate. I was in another corner. He was in another corner. Also in a sehra, hating it, but sweet. And I had my veil. And we signed the nikah papers. And that's when I walked towards him. And he saw me for the first time. And that's what I wanted.
As a bride. Yeah.
अब मैं भूल गई कि पिक्चर्स भी हमें लेनी थी. अब हम वहाँ स्टेज पे लोग आ रहे हैं, ये लोग भागते हुए आए, पिक्चर्स लेनी है प्लीज, देखिए सन जा रहा है. मैंने कहा अच्छा अब क्या करें. शहबाज ने कहा चलें यहाँ खड़ी हो जाए. आई स्वेयर इट वाज एन एज, क्लिफ की एज. वहाँ जाके क्लिफ है, वहाँ जाके खड़े होगी. सलीम वाज लाइक व्हाट वुड बी, आई वाज लाइक जस्ट कम. उसके साथ तो 2-3 pictures ली. And I had always imagined a घूंघट, or I don't know why I had always imagined that. वो लेके ये करके फिर obviously I was like तस्वीर तो कुछ तो लेंगे हम लोग. क्या मैं बताऊंगी, अपने बच्चों को छोड़ो. Generally, Faraz Manan was also at the wedding. He must have been like, what
did you do? Yeah.
What did you do?
The pictures, yeah.
I stood there and literally there was one person who had a small little putty. Like from the back, the sun was going down. I mean, he was gone nearly. And Shahbaz said, "Bas yahi rahe, I've got it." And it was 3 clicks.
Tick, tick, tick.
That's it.
It's beautiful.
I swear, ask them.
Amazing.
So yeah, it was because I just, and even Iza, who did the other photographs in the wedding, I had told Shahbaz this as well. Ek to Shahbaz is very close to me. So I wanted him to be there and enjoy the wedding. I didn't want him to be photographing.
Yeah.
Except for that wedding photograph.
But Shahbaz being Shahbaz, huh?
Oh. Yeah. He wouldn't even let me go if he was here. वो हम एक कर ले, एक मैं यहाँ से कर लूँ. He's like that. But I had told Iza this, Picture Iza, who did the videos and the photographs, and Shahbaz, that I want to enjoy myself. I have done way too many shoots in my life.
You probably don't even remember how many times you've been a bride on screen,
Yeah. So I said, look, I don't want editorial pictures. I don't want posing pictures. I don't want this. So don't make me do it.
Yeah.
And I didn't do it.
Yeah.
But I'm glad that on the wedding I took this shot.
It was a beautiful shot.
Because even though टीका थोड़ा ऊपर हो गया था, वो यहाँ
नहीं पता चल रहा.
हाँ, ये छोटी चीज़ है. मैं आज तक बाबर को कहती हूँ ये बाल, अदनान को कभी कहती हूँ ये तुमने देखा था वो, छोड़ दें,
हसीन तरीन थी. But it started with the दुआ खैर.
So dua. So the dua.
Which you really wanted the dua, right? Because Amma did. Yeah.
Amma did. Amma wanted the dua, and my dua was done by Zahra Khala.
Yeah.
Zahra Nega. And another very, very special moment at home, because Zahra Khala was just amazing. Umar made the jura. Now that's also a special one.
Very.
I mean, I'm going to pass that on to my bahu.
Yeah.
And be like, इसका ख्याल रखना मेरी बच्ची. क्योंकि ये बहुत, बहुत प्यार और बड़े चाह से बनाया है. So Umar made that and it was a Hyderabadi.
बहुत खूबसूरत.
It was beautiful. Hardly any makeup, चोटी बांधी, डाल के नीचे पहुंच गई.
फूलों का जेवर था.
हाँ, फूलों का जेवर था. और फिर उसी रात, हाँ ना, अच्छा उसी रात, क्योंकि these guys यार, when you get married at this age, and everybody is starved for a wedding, they're like, yeah, let's do something every day. Anyway, so then that same night was the Mayu, which my friends threw, and that was Zara Shah Jahan.
Yes.
That was also beautiful. A koti. Lovely. So we had that here. Every day we had dance practices, by the way.
Yes.
Every day for hours. Amma at one point was like, bas ab band karo ye naach gana. Kya ho raha hai? But me also, I have to say, I'm such a... I really enjoyed my wedding, I have to say.
And that's so good.
Which I think, I don't think that girls get to.
Yeah.
I mean, because I've been there before. I was young and I was just so worried. Even here, I was handling everything. But I was more at ease and at peace, And then Anushe, who's my manager now, she said, नहीं देखिए आप हर रोज येलो पहनेंगी.
उसको ज्यादा माइयों से इतना बैठे हैं आप.
हाँ, उन सबके अपने अरमान मेरे थ्रू पूरे हो रहे थे. अच्छा, तो हम गए गल्फ या पता नहीं कहाँ गए, आशियाना, CTC गए.
Okay.
हाँ, मैं भी गई.
Okay.
Because I was like, I want to choose the yellow. येलो कपड़ा हमने दर्जी बिठाया, उन्होंने येलो हमारी जोड़े बनाए और हर रोज मैं एक येलो जोड़ा पहनती थी. Not to say कि मैं माइयों में बैठी हुई थी क्योंकि I was, but yes, but it was actually lovely. Every day the friends would come. Every day I'd be in my mayu yellow जोड़ा.
Nice. Why not?
Yeah, it was
lovely.
और हर रोज एक नई sort of एक नया batch of people arrive करता था. So it was really celebrations and I hope that my home, my mother hasn't been well, like I told you.
Yeah.
So I just feel like after the wedding, everything has been I want joy to come back because we saw so much of it, mashallah. Imagine everyone coming together, my childhood friends, my cousins from everywhere, Salim's friends and my friends and his family and my family. It was just beautiful.
It was. Yeah, absolutely.
So I hope that inshallah, my mom feels better.
Inshallah.
And
when I
joy
met her at your walima, and she's so beautiful, and you look at her and you say, that's where Myra gets her looks, and she's absolutely stunning. She is. Yeah. So that was the Mehndi and the Mayo. And
so now this was over here.
Yeah, ठीक है.
Now the first day in Bhurban was the Mehndi.
Yeah.
So the Mehndi, I don't know what got into me. I was like, I think I'll go with the purple.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It was unconventional. But
it was unconventional.
Yeah. Marine, right?
Marine and Manahir.
Yeah.
So even though Umar had also made me a beautiful green jora, but I had been wearing Umar. Even Asim Raza had done a dholki. उस पे भी मैंने उमर पहना था. फिर Mashin ने भी ढोलकी की थी. It was never ending.
By the way, how much pressure must there be on you, designers, because they're friends?
Oh no.
वो नहीं था?
Not at all.
Great.
No one gave me.
When I was looking at your looks, I was like, इस पे कितना pressure होगा कि सब कह रहे होंगे कि अब जरूर शादी पे तो ये जरूर ये पहनेगी और जरूर ये नहीं.
No pressure.
Excellent.
Because these guys,
proud of you guys.
Yeah, Umar loves me for me.
Yeah.
So he's known me since I was very young.
Yeah.
So there is that प्यार है बहुत. So ठीक, जो करना है कर. लेकिन उन्होंने बड़े चाह से वो ग्रीन जोड़ा बनाया था जो कि बहुत खूबसूरत था. So because I had been wearing Umar, I thought, you know what, maybe let me just wear the purple. When the purple came to me, Marine and Manal just sent it, Essie to wear for one of the dolkis. I said, yeah.
Nice.
I don't know.
Nice.
The